Hi guys, magandang araw. Kamusta kayong lahat? And I hope that you're enjoying your Sunday as well as I am. And hopefully nakapag-ready na kayo para sa market bukas. We're here for another technical analysis sa stock market ng PSEI. And let's start. So, kamusta ba yung PSEI this past week? So, the past week it tried to challenge the 7.3 level again. So we can see that there's a long upper week na na-reject yung market last January 11. Then bumaba yung PSEI natin. Pero nag-bounce siya dun sa EMA 20 natin. So rinirespect niya yung line na yan. And from our sentiment na bumabalik ulit yung PSEI to its 8,000 levels or at least progress from the pandemic levels. So for me, for the PSEI, I'm seeing a triangle pattern here. Sige, gawin na lang natin ganito. And may level dito. So, kita natin, no? Upper triangle na pattern. So, we should expect at least, or I mean, based on technical analysis, that maglalaro pa yan dito or somewhere here. Then, if it breaks out, then it breaks out. Then, kung mali ang reading natin based sa behavior ng PSEI, bababa. Pero, since may vaccine na tayo, bumibili na yung gobyerno ng vaccine, we are hoping to have the economy go up again. So that's my take for PSEI. So start na tayo na screening, no? So let's start with VLL. I saw this particular stock when I was screening for some patterns. So ito, kita natin as usual isang malaking cup. Then if you try to ano nga ba tawag nila doon? Hulanisis, yan. Or at least expected nilang action ng stock based on its pattern is cup and handle. Ang pinaka-basic, no? Cup and handle. So, ano ba bang mga indication na makikita natin dito? First thing na nakita ko, without using some indicators, is may maliit na reverse head and shoulders here. So, a reverse head and shoulders, again, guys, is indicating ng reversal. So, since downtrend to, nakita natin sa baba, reverse head and shoulders is pataas. So, we can say that the stock might go here. And, as usual, ang price action na in-expect natin sa isang cup and handle, so, ilagay lang natin yung line ng cup. Ang action na in-expect natin is breakout from its resistance level. So, yun yung major na ano, no? So, itong resistance level na to nabuo dahil may gap dito from its candle, from the downtrend candle nung simula ng pandemic, mula nung nagka-lockdown sa Pinas. So, reverse and shoulders. So, makita naman natin EMA 50 na-cross na rin sa EMA 200. So, that's what we call a golden cross. So, golden cross indicates na pataas na yung stock. It will go on an uptrend. At least, di ba, parang statistically, it would be a good indicator that the stock will go up. So, isa yun sa mga parang bullish bias nung pag-screen ng stock. So, after that, we can see that the volume here is increasing. Mula nung tumaas siya. So, na-reject siya dito sa level na to, ano? Because may gap dyan, there should be a resistance level there. So nabuo dito around 5.3 pesos. So pagka downtrend niya, respect niya yung either EMA 50 or EMA 200. So since may cross sila dyan, we won't know. So at least nag-bounce siya, bounce, then up. Then RSI. So RSI, check natin, ano. So medyo malayo pa siya. Medyo malayo pa siya dun sa breakout. So kung mauntog pa yan dito, ano, tapos babalik, lalaban, bago pa dumating dun sa breakout point. Tapos sumakto na mag-breakout. Ang ganda ng galaw ng stock by that time. Pero since this one, let's try to see kung yan na yung end ng downtrend natin. Ito, end ng downtrend, na-break niya, no? So pagka-bounce niya, na-break niya yung trend line ng RSI going downtrend. So ito na magiging trend line ng bagong packet natin na stock. Ito natin, pakita tayo malito. So ito na yung bagong trend line na pataas. So since yung candlestick natin, no, isang malaking doji. So this shows indecisiveness. Kaya makita natin nag-touch ulit yung yung RSI natin dun sa RSI trend line natin. So expect natin mag-bounce yan. So it will go up. Then MACD, sakto lang siya mag-cross going to its upside na paakyat yung price ng stock natin. So kung ako sa inyo guys, maybe, I mean, this is not a record or anything, pero if you want to trade, you can enter here para lang, kasi alam natin may resistance level dito, no? So yung probability na mapuntahan na yung price na yun. So once you enter there, the risk would, or the reward would be around 11%. Tas yung risk natin is gawin natin maybe ito dulo ng week, just in case na ma-reject yung analysis natin dun sa galaw ng stock. So that would be 4%. So that is greater than 2. So 1:2 yung risk mo. So medyo okay, no? Pero kung breakout trader ka, entry mo pagka breakout nito. So hintayin mo. Add mo na lang muna siguro sa watchlist. Pero sabi natin, i-breakout in a couple of days. Oops, mali. Dito yung entry mo, no? Around this area. I guess kung nandito yung candle, since wala pang candle, hindi natin plot na maayos. So lagay lang siguro tayo ng 4 to 5%, 3 to 5% na risk if let's say na-reject yung breakout ng stock. Then next resistance line would be tik natin, yan, around this area. Ay, kita natin na may hit dito, may hit din dito, hit. So yung dulo ng candle mismo around those area. Lagay natin yan. Okay. So check natin yung reward ratio natin. 17% guys versus 3 to 5%. That is 1:3. So not bad, diba? So depende pa rin sa'yo. So kung sabihin natin nag-entry ka agad dito, since we're looking na pataas ulit yung stock, it will challenge that resistance line again with the MACD cross. So kung entry ka dito, tapos sabihin natin maganda yung galaw ng stock and you are really not hoping but you're thinking that it might break that resistance line, maybe you can sell half of your position, then check the check if the price action will break that resistance. So at least nakip mo na yung 50% of your position. So kung na-reject yan, bumagsak na konti, you can still keep, basta ma-reject lang yung bias natin na it will go on an uptrend. Since we're seeing this golden cross, medyo bullish bias tayo dito sa stock na to. Okay, move tayo sa ibang stock. Let's check Double Dragon. So si Double Dragon, naging interesting siya kahit na medyo nagkakaroon ng sell down since they have announced na magkakaroon sila ng IPO for their REITs, no? So they will offer their rates for their properties. So they have locations in MOA, do they have one in Ortigas? I cannot recall kung ano talaga yung mga position, yung locations ng isasama nila dito. So may mga ibang stock traders dyan na nag-analyze nung DD rates. So you might want to check those channels. So here, we can see that there's an increased volume of trading mula nung nag-announce sila. So, medyo gumagalaw siya, taas baba, pero isipin na lang natin is, nasa isang, masyado maliit yan. Nasa isa siyang box. So, ito yung box. We'll have to wait if there will be an action or if it breaks out with that box. Pero tingin natin yung EMA, no? Yung EMA 20 and EMA 50 is naglalaro lang sila, magkadikit sila eh. EMA 200 is just it's still there. So price action, kita natin medyo malakas tong support area nito. Around this area, medyo malakas yung support natin. So if you're a position trader, maybe you can try to enter here, pero I think that the price would go on consolidation, pero yung offer nila ng IPO ng DD rates is on February na, so hindi natin alam anong magiging galaw ng Double Dragon. Pero this is in Japsia. Tama ba yung tab ko? Dabang inasal, dude. The Merrimart, the man behind Merrimart. So kita naman natin kung ano nangyari doon sa IPO ng Merrimart, diba? Yung medyo masarap yung stock na yun eh. So we'll have to wait, or we have to watch the price action for DD this coming few days or weeks, since the IPO for their DD rate is next month na. RSI wise, wala man tayo makikita, no? So mula nung nag-announce sila, karoon ng action, tumaas RSI, bumaba. So andito na naman siya sa level ng around 50. So galaw-galaw muna, tingin-tingin muna, pero add natin ito sa watchlist natin. MACD, we're seeing higher lows sa histogram niya, and it's still on the downside. Wala muna tayong titingnan dyan. So ito, medyo nagkakaroon lang ng galawan, so magandang ilagdag sa watchlist. Next one that I want to say is IDC, Italpinas. So kita natin, buo na yung cup and handle niya. Nabuo siya last Friday. Cup and handle, kita natin EMA 50. Ano na yan, golden cross na siya. Na almost 2 months. So golden cross ng 2 months na going up. So medyo bullish yung bias mo pag ganyan eh. So tingnan natin sa Monday, mare-reject ba o magkakaisang candle pa dito para sasagarin talaga niya yung cup and handle formation mo dito, o magkakaroon na ng breakout dito. Breakout. RSI pataas kasi pataas din sa cup, sa formation ng cup, di ba? Trend line. na natin pataas. So kung bumaba man lang kahit konti, kung bubuelo yung RSI natin bago pumutok, yan yung pinaka yung trend line natin kung break yan, no? Pagka break yan mismo, makikita natin MACD nasa upside din. Tapos check natin, no, kung sa higher time frame kung kamusta. Okay, kita nyo, cup and handle pa din on a higher time frame. Weekly to, weekly. Then makita natin EMA 20 for a weekly time frame, nag-cross na sa EMA 50 and it's now crossing EMA 200, or will be trying to cross that EMA 200 on a weekly time frame. So kita naman natin, by the way guys, pag yung higher time frame, which is for a day chart, a weekly chart would be the higher time frame. For the week chart, it would be a monthly. So makita natin pag ang weekly is medyo bullish, so if the day chart looks bullish, pero yung weekly kita natin medyo tagilid, so medyo bawas yung confidence level natin sa pag-enter nung stock na yun. Pero kung yung weekly time frame chart mo is sumasang-ayon dun sa daily chart mo, medyo malakas yung conviction natin na yung price action in the coming few days or weeks is maging bullish din. So if your bias for that stock is bearish, tas yung weekly mo is sumasang-ayon dun sa daily time frame mo, then that will be surely a bearish trend, unless magkaroon ng super gandang catalyst na mare-reverse talaga yung tingin mo dun sa stock. So IDC, you just have to watch the price action this coming Monday. This coming Monday. Okay. So may dagdag pa akong ibang stock, since I have reviewed this stock sa ng ibang weeks, ibang upload. So yung bias ko dito is intact pa din, since makita natin nag-breakout yung price natin with tech, no? So si tech kasi nag-breakout siya last January 11, last Monday. Tama ba? Was it a Monday? Monday. So na nag-break niya, so nagkaroon ng bullish action. So na-reject. Hindi ba na-reject, pero I'm seeing this as a healthy pullback, since we can see that there's a tail dun sa last candle natin at medyo mahaba yun. So re-respect niya yung EMA 200. So what I'm seeing here is makyat yung price. Parang mali yung ginamit kong tool. Horizontal lang, no, ray. No, let's just draw. Dito natin, no, umakyat. So ito yung pullback niya. So kung ang price action niya bukas is tumalon, then it would confirm our bias, or my bias. So after going up, maybe magkakaroon pa ng bagong pullback, then up. So that's for tech. And FGEN. So FGEN is nag-breakout din last, kano sila nag-break? January 8. So ito, nakikita ko siya as a pullback as well. So si FGEN is clear skies eh. So I'm seeing this as a pullback for an uptrend. Kita natin sa last two candles, so lakas ng rejection. Tapos another higher high and higher low. So should be going up. The RSI trend line is also pointing sideways to upwards. MACD still on the upside. So intact pa din yung bias natin. So ako, hinold ko yung tech and FGEN. Since we're expecting an uptrend bias for those stocks. So that's all for me, guys, and I hope that we'll have a good trading week ahead of us, and I hope that your gains are more than your loss in case the market goes against our biases. So thank you for watching, guys. Have a nice day.